Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your address from Trust Wallet. First, understand that Trust Wallet supports many different cryptocurrencies, like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Each of these digital assets has its own unique receiving address. Knowing how to correctly locate and use these addresses is crucial for safely receiving your funds. To find your address, open the Trust Wallet application on your device. On the main screen, you will see a Receive button. Tap on it. Next, a list of cryptocurrencies will appear. Select the exact coin you want to receive. Your unique receiving address, along with a scannable QR code, will then be clearly displayed. Once your address is displayed, you'll see a Copy button. Tap this to instantly save the address to your device's clipboard. You can then paste this address into a message or email to share it with the sender. It is extremely important to always double-check that the copied address matches the one displayed before any transaction. Remember, always send the exact cryptocurrency to its corresponding address. For example, only send Bitcoin to a Bitcoin address. Sending the wrong type of coin to an address, like sending Ethereum to a Bitcoin address, will almost certainly result in the permanent loss of your funds. Trust Wallet does not have the ability to recover these incorrectly sent assets.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.